Video, I'm going to talk about the best product to promote and how you can earn some affiliate commissions like me in 6 simple steps. Hey guys, I'm Jade, and don't forget to grab your free ebook 7 best ways to make money online. The link is in the description. So, how to get affiliate commissions in 6 steps. 1. Find a profitable niche. As you already know, choosing a niche is super important in every online business. So here are some affiliate marketing niches that I have in mind. So how to find a profitable niche for affiliate marketing. Go to digistore24.com. This is one of the biggest affiliate marketing platforms out there in the market. You want to go to the marketplace right here. And on your left, there's the categories that you can choose as your niche. Email marketing, education, family and kids, fitness and health. And another hot niche would be internet marketing and e-business. Another great platform is ClickBank. This is the most popular affiliate marketing platform out there. So once you log in, you'll see this page and you want to go to here, Marketplace. So ClickBank Marketplace looks like this, and there are some more categories right here. They even have fiction, games, green products, home and garden, languages, mobile. So there are more affiliate marketing platforms, but I think these 2 platforms are the best for the beginners. 2. Choose products to promote. So how to find the products to promote? So the best products to promote is the one that you're using. So I promote a lot of products that I personally use. But since you're the beginner, you probably don't have any products that you use. So we're going to go over ClickBank again to find the best products. So go back to ClickBank Marketplace. And let's say we want to promote something on e-marketing. Alright, so here we don't want to sort the results by popularity because it can be way too competitive. I would like to go with the gravity. So gravity means the conversion rate. So the higher the conversion rate, the higher the gravity, means that it just converts more. So I changed it to the gravity, and this one is selling well as the gravity wise. So gravity is 196 and this one is 187, just like this. So this one converts better. And this one is great. The average sale is 120. It's pretty high ticket, I would say. So just go through this list and find the one that you want to promote. So in the ClickBank, gravity can be the good score that you want to kind of keep an eye on. And then in the Digistore24, you want to focus on the conversion rate. So this one is 11%, which is not too bad compared to others. Also in other categories, so I sorted by the cart conversion. This one is conversion rate is 22%, which is pretty high. And the commission is 50%. So if you're the beginner, I will not just go for the high commission rate, but I will rather go for the high conversion rate. Okay, Jay, that's great, but how did you make your $558 as an affiliate commission? Okay, so what is the best product that I promote? This is the better free way to build the funnels and sell digital products online. So this is the all-in-one platforms for the online business owners. And you can get the free lifetime access right now with no credit card needed ever. So this #1 page and funnel building platform, you can literally just make a free website and sell something for free without giving any commission to these GrooveFunnels. So click on Start It right now for free and just let me show you how it's done. So in GrooveFunnels, I made this page selling my free ebook. So 7 best ways to make money online. This is my free ebook. And I say you get your free ebook right here. So I can kind of today like make some changes. Here people can sign up. So this is the page that I just made for free with GrooveFunnels. So this is the easy drag and drop. Let's drop this one right here, just like that. I can make some changes right here. I can also sell the products here for free without giving them any commissions. And the great thing about this group funnel is that you can promote it right away and become an affiliate. So after you sign up, you'll see this group affiliate program. So click on that and you can join and get group sales free right here. Then you have everything that you need for your affiliate program. So you can just grab your link from here and just start promoting this free funnel builder. 3, get your affiliate links. So for group funnel, you can get your link just like this. And for the ClickBank product, you want to click promote. So generate the hop link. Then you instantly get your affiliate link right here. 4, shorten links and track them. So we got the affiliate link, but they look kind of ugly, so we don't want to just promote this link. You want to go to bit.ly.com and create an account and shorten the link like this. Okay, this is the test and affiliate link that I have for the group funnels. And I'm going to share this on LinkedIn. Okay, then I hit save. Then just like this, you get the short link right here. So you can just copy that and promote this link. And they will track your link like this. So this one, I got total 39 clicks when I got it. And where I got most of them from YouTube and also LinkedIn as well as Twitter. So just like this, you can see the data right here. And I also got the click mostly from United States as well as South Korea and Canada right here, and 17 more other different countries. So you definitely don't want to miss this step, shortening your link and also tracking your link. 5, create a free website. So go ahead to the group pages and you can create 3 websites for free. So go to new websites and you want to go to template. Let's say we are selling this. So to this button, get free, you want to add your affiliate link. So link to URL, and then you want to just paste your affiliate link right here and update. Then you want to save and publish it, and that's it. So just like this, you can make a website to promote your product, or you can also make a YouTube video just like this one that I made before and get some free traffic. 6, promote your website. So how do I get the traffic? And there are only 2 types of traffic. 1, organic traffic, and 2, paid traffic. So for organic traffic, you can have YouTube or blog or a website, and other social media just like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. What about other good websites for the paid traffic? So if you go to adclarks.com, you can buy ads online. So let's say I want to promote something for health and fitness. I can find the websites that I like to promote my product and just click on it. So you want to see the ad stats, United States 71%, that's good. So I can choose one of these and get some paid traffic right here.